Welcome to our new demonstration, which showcases the very latest capabilities in the SS&C Blue Prism Intelligent Automation portfolio. This demonstration includes capabilities in Process Intelligence, Capture, Design Studio, UX Builder, and Chorus. Every organization wants to respond quickly to changing market demands, deliver outstanding business results, and keep customers, employees, partners, and shareholders happy. Process automation can help organizations do just that. However, with complex and constantly changing processes, it can be hard to see the big picture and know where to start or which processes will deliver the best results. Not to mention gathering this insight, which can be complex, time-consuming, and resource-intensive. With thousands of processes and employees, wading through the details and translating these insights into deployable, runnable processes can take weeks or months. And even when these processes are operational, they don't always deliver the results you expect. But with SS&C Blue Prism, we can help you rapidly transform, automate, and continuously optimize your processes to deliver the highest return on investment and best outcomes for your organization. So let's get started. Imagine you work for a financial services company called Business Inc., and you want to improve the account credit card application and onboarding process for customers. How do you know where to start? With Process Intelligence's easy-to-use, no-code interface and flexible deployment options, you can start making informed decisions in just a few minutes. Whether you use our connectors, included no-code ETL tool, or pull from a database, you can simply select your data file and map the required fields. Process Intelligence will then organize the data into a process model, allowing you to start analyzing it right away without any coding or setup, saving you time and money. As we enter the homepage of Process Intelligence, you'll always have an up-to-date view on what's going on, even as more data is added on a manual, scheduled, or real-time basis. Customizable dashboards provide a quick and easy way to see the important metrics you care about, all at a glance. Process Intelligence provides a clear visual representation of how new bank account applications flow through the onboarding process, highlighting the most common path and showing points of friction through color coding. With the baseline documented, you can see easily where your process is working well and where it needs improvement. It's real-time, actionable insight like this that helps you analyze your processes to find ways to drive more value and improve results. For instance, we can zoom into the friction we just saw and check how applications are experiencing this leg of the process. We can see from the histogram that some applications take longer than others to move from the processor assigned milestone to the verifications milestone. This is indicated by that long tail to the right on the positively skewed distribution. By using the breakdown function, we can analyze the time it takes for applications to move from processor assigned to verifications by any additional attribute, such as the processor. This helps us identify root causes and an opportunity to focus on improvement efforts. In this case, we can see an issue with Clarissa Welsh consistently taking a lot longer to move these applications along this leg. We can quickly see the effects of eliminating just the top 10% of worst offenders. By doing this, we can reduce the average time it takes for an application to move from processor assigned to verifications from 31 hours to just over 14 hours. Using the bottleneck tool, we can even simulate the effect of reducing time or costs across the overall process. In this case, eliminating the worst offenders gives almost 42,000 hours back to the business on just this small subset of 3,000 applications. You can also audit for process conformance to establish business rules, making it easy to identify and resolve compliance violations. Simply filter by violation to find the root cause. And with the Alerts tool, you can set triggers to automatically respond to SLA or custom business rule violations with a Blue Prism digital worker. Process Intelligence not only provides deep insights into your processes, but also enables you to leverage Business Process Management, or BPM, via its seamless integration with SS&C Blue Prism Chorus. In just a couple clicks, you can export already optimized process flows directly into the no-code, low-code Chorus interface for work orchestration, resource management, and improved customer experiences. Now remember the interval issue we detected earlier in our process mining investigation with Clarissa? Task mining can help us get a better understanding of what's going on and generate an automation to help processors like Clarissa with the most cumbersome of tasks. Task mining includes a recorder that captures real-world manual tasks performed by employees at their workstations, such as our processors, and a recording service that governs the behavior of those deployed recorders. This enables us to audit and optimize manual task flows, identify areas where automation will have the biggest impact, and improve the efficiency of our business operations. The data captured by the recorder and recording service have been processed by process intelligence, giving us a clear view of the manual task steps and opportunities for automation. Thanks to the built-in AI analysis on our log data, selecting the best candidate for automation is made simple. We want low complexity and high gain, which means we can select this task. The automation skeleton exported from task mining contains all the necessary information to teach a digital worker how to help our processors out, reducing the time investment by over 50% compared to manual creation of automations. With the best candidate for automation identified, it's possible to prepare and design the automation. SS&C Blue Prism can help you rapidly generate your process documentation and turn wireframes into runnable processes with minimal fuss and effort. The process skeleton generated by process intelligence can be quickly imported into Capture, where you can begin optimizing the process to create the most efficient automation possible. Capture will display the output from process intelligence into a process map. This process contains screenshots and notes to give the user additional information on the process. You can add, edit, remove, and group steps for a more simplified process flow. As you can see, the first step is given a title based on the application we interacted with. Then, each step is given an action note, number, object name, and action name. This is based on the application modeler data related to each captured element. By including process, object, and application modeler data in the recording, a developer has far less to do when building the automation, as many elements have already been captured and laid out for them. Capture has auto password censoring, so password data can be obscured, helping you to maintain security and compliance. In Solution Designer, you have a single UI where the process owner and process analyst can work collaboratively to optimize the current process. The drag and drop UI enables you to separate the process into zones for a more logical flow that better fits an automated process. You can add branch steps, decision points, and even other previously captured processes for a more complete end-to-end view of the credit card onboarding journey. A detailed process definition document can then be exported. This contains process statistics, an overall process map, version information, and each of the steps recorded by Capture along with the notes we added. We can also generate a PDF or a Visio file of the process map, which can be viewed in Capture as well as exported straight into Chorus BPM by choosing this option. One of the biggest advantages in using Capture is the Blue Prism export. You can create a Blue Prism release file based on your optimized process and import this into the Design Studio where it can be refined and optimized to create a fully automated solution. The changes to the Blue Prism release make it even quicker and easier for developers to build the assets required for their automations. Launch and attach stages have been added for us, and best practice elements have been introduced, such as wait stages and data items. Additionally, the application modeler data is organized and labeled in the application modeler tree structure. This helps organizations achieve the consistency and accuracy required to build robust automations and provides help for new developers to get the best possible start. The exported actions are also immediately executable, and we can test this by playing through the process. Collectively, these capabilities lead to a faster and more accurate completion of the customer onboarding process and a positive impact on the bottom line. But it's always important to remember that even once you've designed and developed the best automations, they're still only as good as the experience they support. So with that in mind, let's look at how we can help you enhance your customer experience. Let's start with the portal through which a prospective credit card customer would start their application. This application is the trigger point for the new onboarding process we just designed, developed, and deployed. With SS&C Blue Prism UX Builder, you can leverage our no-code app development platform to build the custom-branded web application quickly and easily without needing a skilled developer. UX Builder's easy-to-use user interface enables you to drag and drop forms, images, iframes, and hyperlinks into apps, create database tables to save and retrieve data, choose web page and form layouts, apply corporate branding, and so much more. As you can see, we've already started to build out the credit card application form, where we're asking for personal details such as name, address, and contact information. UX Builder can bring together data and interactions from multiple systems to retrieve or update information as required. For instance, when submitting a request for opening a bank account, integration with the bank's internal systems can enable the UX service to retrieve relevant customer data, such as their name, address, and contact information. This makes it easier and faster to do things like perform credit checks on applicants opening a new bank account. Conditional logic and interactive tables mean you can create dynamic and intuitive user engagements. For example, depending on the data entered and the business rules applied, a customer will be guided seamlessly through a logical workflow and asked only those questions relevant to the context. For example, when asked what type of account they'd like to open, when the customer selects credit card, only information relevant to a credit card application will be presented to them on the form. I can also drag and drop a signature form into the application, ensuring the customer signs electronically before the application is completed. Similarly, records related to the information the customer provides can be leveraged, enabling the customer to choose, edit, or add information as required without having to navigate away from the page or perform additional searches. All of this enables the customer to get where they need to be quickly, thereby enhancing the user experience and increasing customer satisfaction. Through integration with the broader SS&C Blue Prism RPA and BPM capabilities, it's possible to trigger actions from within the form. For example, as soon as the customer hits complete to submit their credit card application, it triggers a digital worker to start an automation, such as running that credit check or creating a new case for the application. All data collected through a UX Builder app or web page can be stored, managed, and used to derive insights. And with the powerful design validation capabilities, you can check for design time errors while building the application to identify and prevent potential errors and issues that may arise during runtime. This helps ensure applications are built with the right configuration the first time, avoiding time-consuming delays to fix application failures. With that complete, our new process is operational, which brings us full circle. Should process deviations, compliance issues, or underperformance occur, alerts can be automatically sent to inform stakeholders. Alongside the alert, remedial actions can be triggered to leverage other technologies to address the concern. For example, using a digital worker like the one we just built to automatically help our processors. Process Intelligence can import data directly from Chorus, where we can apply our favorite process mining tools to trigger alerts, verify compliance, predict behavior, drill into custom metrics, and more like we did using this process data. With SS&C Blue Prism, you have a complete solution to optimize your processes, drive process excellence, and achieve your goals. The result? Improved customer and employee satisfaction, reduced costs, and a positive impact on the bottom line. Join the ranks of businesses that have already benefited from the SS&C Blue Prism Intelligent Automation portfolio. Reach out to us today to learn more and take the first steps towards unlocking unlimited possibilities and delivering transformational results for your business.